Welcome. This is another installment on how to. Today we are going to change out the rollers on this Arcadia door. Now, if your door does this, you may need to change the rollers. It's not that hard to do. Basically, the only tools you need are a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. And of course, a drill, because everybody needs a drill. So, we already went and got the pieces we need, which are these right here. These are your rollers for the new Arcadia door. So, what we're going to do, first off, you need to remove the screen, and then you'll need to remove the glass door. For that, you have a flathead screwdriver. All you basically need to do is reach down here, you lift up the wheel right here with the flathead, and it comes right out. Same thing on this side, like that. Put this up to the side where it won't get damaged, but it's already been damaged on the bottom because of the dumb dog. But that's another day for another repair. We'll put this over here, like that. Now we're ready for the Arcadia door. Okay, these sides are already done. Now we're going to do this side. So we've got it off the track. Now what we'll do is lift up the door. Like that. Now we've got it all the way out. I have to move it just a little bit more. There. Now, we've got it all the way out. Just remember, be very careful with glass. You drop it, it breaks. And then you got to call the glass guy. And here's the roller right here. And you can see right here, this one here, it does not want to work. To release it, that's where we need our Phillips screwdriver. First you take the screw, this one here, take that out. Automatically, the roller comes right out. Right there. This is the old one. You see how it's all chewed up and it doesn't work. And we'll insert the new one. Right here. And we take a little maneuvering to get it into place. Like that. Oop. Now, the way we're doing it is you want this clip has to go the other way. I did it wrong. Alright, that's okay. Alright, now we get this into place. I did it right the first time. Yeah. Alright, and this slips right into there, like that. We put the big screw back in, Then we have this right here, which controls the bolt. This screw right here. This screw here raises and lowers the roller so that you can adjust it after you get it back on the track. Alright, once we get these done, then we'll do the other side, and then we'll remount the door, and we're done. So this is the end of part 1.